Let us see in this video how to add two angles, that is, how to find the angle resulting of adding two angles, in this case angles A and B, and we're going to solve it on this semi-straight line from point F. What we have to do is to copy one angle and then copy the other one from where that one ends. We are going to draw three arcs with the same radius, the one we want, whose centers are points A, B and F, where we are going to solve the exercise. This first arc, whose center is point A, intersects the semi-straight lines that form angle A at these 2 points 1 and 2. And this other arc, whose center is point B, intersects the semi-straight line that form angle B at these 2 points 3 and 4. Let us copy angle A in the first place on this semi-straight line that starts at point F. In order to do that, we copy chord 1, 2 from point 1 the first. Using point 1 the first as center and the length of chord 1, 2 as radius, we draw an arc that meets this one, whose center is point F, at this point to the first. So the angle 1 the first to the first is congruent to angle A. Now we have to copy angle B, starting on the semi-straight line where the just copied angle A ended. That is, the semi-straight line that joins points F to point 2. To do this, we copy chord 3, 4 from point 3 the first, which concurs with point 2 the first. Using point 3 the first as center and the length of chord 3, 4 as radius, we draw an arc that meets this one, whose center is point F at this point 4 the first. So angle 3 the first, 4 the first is congruent to angle B. Since we have copied angle A and we have copied angle B where angle A finished, the angle resulting of adding both of them is the one intercepted by the arc 1 the first, 4 the first.